in 2008, this immediate Coal Creek area had experienced substantial water issues. I was really upset about the condition of the wet basement because there's some things you can't clean up. I called Thrasher. They are informative without being aggressive. They explain things in a reasonable, professional, adult manner. And it was perfect. It was perfect. And since then, I've had my new driveway sealed. Again, everything came out exactly the way I was promised that it would. I'm always happy to see that truck because I know whatever it is, it will be taken care of. If you're having problems, there's only one answer. It's not just the good answer. It's not just the right answer. It's the only answer if you want it done correctly. You call Thrasher. You don't mess around with anybody else.